Alright, we got another one to work on here. Not sure what year, but it's a Honda. Oh, I don't know. Whatever the fuck it is. Yeah, it just says Honda on the side of it, but no idea. Guy bought it, brought it to me. Says it don't run. So let's see what we can do. See if she does run or she don't run or what's the deal. First things first. Get the fuel drained out of her. It's pretty yellow and nasty. We'll drain the tank down, drain the bowl, put some fresh gas in it, see if it doesn't just start up. He was kind of vague on what was wrong with it. I'm not really sure until I try to start it. We'll see. Just looking for the bowl drain, and it doesn't have one on this, which is weird for a Honda. And I seen that the overflow is plugged. So obviously the carburetor was having issues, and someone plugged this to stop the fuel from coming out. So we'll take that out of there. To know if the carb's overflowing or not, you know. Get that gone, get that tank emptied. Got some type of aftermarket performance coil. Dyna. And also has some Dynatech ignition system. Yeah, boy. Let's see if she'll fire up. Jokes over here. Let's stay on. Sound good. What the hell? That's not good at all. Sounds like it's the crank. Either the piston's got a ton of slack. Oh, just stopped. That's very odd. That's a gnarly noise just to go away. Well, it runs. It was rattling like crazy, now it kind of stopped. Very odd. Smoking a little bit. Not crazy. Oh, at least it runs. It'll start. Scared to rev it up. Oh, it's back. It went back away. What the fuck? That's weird. How's it gonna knock and then stop? This thing did come with a snorkel and a bunch of different things, so I think they were taking her deep. Wonder if water got in this engine. I mean, I checked the oil, it looked great, but it could all be settled to the bottom. Now that I ran it, we'll see if it milks up or what. Yeah, fires right up. does run. Guess let's check this oil here and see what it looks like. Yeah, it's clean. No water in it. Looks good. Wonder what that rattling noise is. It'll suck to have to tear this thing all the way down. Yeah, the hose ain't leaking that they had plugged off. That's good. Weird. Huh. Usually these Hondas are pretty die-hard. They don't usually fuck up, but I guess if it's been filled full of water a few times and ran on water, you know, could have compromised the bearing or something in the engine. I don't know. I mean, it could be the timing chain loose. I mean, it sounds like a tunka. Usually timing chain's more of like a hashy or a clappy. And it sounds about midway in the motor. It doesn't sound like all the way down at the crank. It sounds like in the piston or the valve area. You should check the valve lash and make sure one's not screaming tight hitting the fucking piston. It's weird that it stops though and then comes back. See if I start it, if it does it again. Definitely a little thwacky. Ha! Fuck, the fire's right up. Smokes a little bit when I rev her. Smoke in the air. Yeah, I guess I'll have to put the fucking, I don't know, put it together and ride it, see if it blows up, or tear it apart and see if I can figure out what the noise is. At least check the valves, check the timing chain, all that bullshit. About really, you know, what else? Change the oil. I mean, if it was closer to the top end, the noise, I would say maybe something to do with the decompression on the cam or something, but it seems about midway, you know, to my ear. So I don't know. I have to check some more out on it. Alright, just changed the oil on it. It was actually pretty low and pretty crappy looking what came out of it, so let's see what it sounds like now. Still got a noise, it's not horrible. Actually sounds a lot better. I think it was just low and crappy oil maybe. Hopefully it didn't hurt anything. Seems good. Let me put this fucker back together and see what she'll do, I guess. Well, I slept her all back together. See what she does. See if it rattles and blows apart or if it just runs good and it'll be done. We find out, boss. Little side note, doing some rear brakes on Law's three-wheeler. I gotta get this drum nice and clean, otherwise the brakes don't work good. I've been wire wheeling, you can see where it's starting to shine up. But yeah, get that nice and clean, scuff her up a little bit with some emery afterward, and the brakes will work amazing on this thing.